Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of the HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. We'll explore their standout features, check out the prices, weigh the pros and cons, and ultimately declare a winner. Let's get started. Let's dive into the features of the HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Starting with the HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro, features a 1.43-inch AMOLED screen, a touch smaller than the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra's 1.5-inch AMOLED display, giving you a slightly larger view. While the HUAWEI offers 5 ATM water resistance, the Samsung ups it to 10 ATM, making it better suited for more intense underwater activities. The pixel density on HUAWEI stands strong at 326 ppi, almost matching Samsung's 327 ppi, for sharp visuals on both watches. Both watches offer replaceable bands, so customizing is a breeze for each. When it comes to resolution, the HUAWEI sports 466 by 466 pixels, while the Samsung edges up with 480 by 480 pixels. HUAWEI Watch does not have a bioactive sensor, while Samsung has a bioactive one. HUAWEI's 10.9mm thickness is a bit slimmer than the 12mm Samsung Ultra, making it slightly lighter on the wrist at 53 grams compared to Samsung's 60.5 grams. The build is impressive on both. HUAWEI combines titanium and ceramic, while Samsung uses grade 4 titanium with a sapphire crystal back for added durability. Both the HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro and Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra offer a comprehensive set of health and activity features, including heart rate monitoring, GPS, SpO2 tracking, temperature sensing, and sleep tracking. Plus, both support NFC for convenient contactless payments on the go. Bluetooth, the GT 5 Pro offers version 5.2, while the Galaxy Watch Ultra upgrades to 5.4, enhancing connectivity. Both watches connect to Wi-Fi, but only the Ultra includes an eSIM for cellular access on the go. In terms of battery, the GT 5 Pro lasts a strong 14 days, while the Ultra holds up for around 4 days. The Ultra packs a bit more battery power at 590 mAh versus the GT 5 Pro's 530 mAh, with both supporting wireless charging. The Galaxy Watch Ultra also stands out with 32GB storage and 2GB RAM, while the GT 5 Pro keeps storage details under wraps. When it comes to advanced health tracking features like ECG and HRV, both watches are well equipped. The HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro 47mm comes in titanium and black options, while the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is available in 3 colors: titanium gray, titanium silver, or titanium white. Let's talk about prices. The HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro is priced at $448. The GT 5 Pro is more budget-friendly, but for $650, the Ultra's extra features might just seal the deal. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro. Pros: slimmer and lighter design for comfort. Impressive 14-day battery life for long-lasting use. Cons: lower water resistance. 5 ATM. Lacks cellular support, limiting connectivity options. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Pros: comes with eSIM and 32GB storage for standalone functionality and plenty of space. Higher water resistance, 10 ATM, for underwater use. Cons: bulkier and heavier on the wrist. Shorter 4-day battery life, requiring more frequent charging. And now, it's time to announce the winner. The winner is the Galaxy Watch Ultra due to its water resistance, pixel density, resolution, body material, bioactive sensor, Bluetooth capabilities, and battery power. Meanwhile, the HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro stands out in terms of price, weight, and thickness. Thanks for watching this video.